everyone. Welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. It's a beautiful day to be here. It's a beautiful day to be in cryptocurrency despite the FUD going around right now. I am happy to be here. I'm happy to see every single individual in this chat. And I am happy to spread the adoption of Bitcoin cryptocurrency, talk about the markets, and catch everybody up on the latest news. Hope you guys are doing well. Again, happy Monday. Hope you all had a beautiful weekend. Make sure you guys smash these likes, subscribe, share the stream out with friends so more people could get educated. And the more we interact with the stream, whether that's a like, a share, a comment, the more YouTube feels the need to share it out with other people. So let's get activated with the YouTube algorithm. And I want you guys to make sure you check out today's sponsor, Market Cipher. Make sure you use code ZESTY or code missteencrypto at checkout for 20% off. The link is in the live chat and in the description. Make sure you guys use that code and make sure you use that link because it's so zesty. I want to say hi to everybody in the chat. Oh, TikTok. All right, got you, Fuddy. Yeah, because I go live on TikTok a few seconds before I go live on YouTube just to make sure that's all set up and ready to go. We got Max from Crypto Talk Now in the chat. We got Colin McKenzie. Nice to see you. We got Emma, Automatic Beats, John Germain, BBB is in the chat. Texan said, much love from Texas. Randy, what's up, Crypto fam? What's up to you from NYC? Hope you're doing well. Freaking love Texas. I want to go there and get a big steak. I love steak. And I feel like you guys just have better quality stuff down there. So, yeehaw. Nice to see you. We got Frank in the chat as well. We got Oman13 encouraging the liking of the button. Make sure you guys do that. Who else we got in here? We got Roland Wishers. We got Emma, Final Kens, Retro Mike. He said it's so early. Well, good morning. Good morning, Retro Mike. Do you have your coffee? Do you have your coffee? You guys all better be brewing up a cup right now. This is the stuff. This is the stuff. Who else we got in here? Oh, Final Kenzie said he got no work today. Back into farming and been working like mad. You miss us. Well, we miss you too, man. Hope you've been doing well. What's up, Paul Christopher? We got Tom in the chat. I don't want to pronounce your name wrong, but Gile? Or... I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, but you said, good morning from Argentina. It's nice to see you, man. It's nice to see you. We got Danny from the blockchain. Hello to you. Branko Savage is here. It said, big howdy doody from South Australia. It's been too long. Nice to see you, Branko Savage. It has been a minute, my guy. I hope you're doing well. Who else is here? I think I got everyone, but welcome to the stream. I'm very happy to see every single one of you. Make sure, again, you guys smash these likes, share the stream out with friends. We're going to get into it. Again, we are fueled by coffee and Bitcoin, so make sure you guys are smashing these likes. Dirty Dave, nice to see you. We got Divergence over there. Nice to see you. We got D, said, Randy, still the best. Thank you. I appreciate that. Much love to you, man. Hope you guys are doing well on TikTok. Again, smash these likes, share the stream out, friends. Give me a follow if you can. I'm on a roll right now. I really want to get 10,000 followers. Somehow I cannot break that on TikTok. So if you guys could head over to TikTok and give me a follow, that'd be absolutely amazing. All Set Miner says, love that mug. Good morning. Good morning to you, my friend. Good morning to you. And yes, it is one of my favorite mugs. Someone actually sent this to me. They saw me on social media within like only a few months of being on Twitter, and they were super cool. They sent me this mug. They sent me a few other things, and I was just like so happy they sent this to me, and I've been using it ever since. But yeah, when people give me crypto presents, I use them. I wear my crypto swag. I use my crypto mugs. I just have a lot of crypto stuff and I'm like embracing it. And on the side, it has a nice Bitcoin on it. Just fully in it. Andre said, let's go in all caps. Thank you for the hype over there. Bulldog, thank you for the rose. All right, friends. Let's get it cracking, says Commander. Absolutely. I'll listen to you, Commander. You're the commander. We're getting after it. Vinny, nice to see you. We're getting into the charts, my friends. We had a turn of events, to say the least, this weekend. And of course, oh wait, John Germain said the stream is buffering. Is my stream okay, guys? Can you guys let me know? Give me a stream check. Give me a stream check in the YouTube chat. Let me know if everything's okay. I'm going to take a look at the chat as I'm going into the chart. So make sure you guys are smashing these likes. All right. We got Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks, I can't say it looks that beautiful, but it does look beautiful. Because again, we're still up a lot over the new year. We had a nice little run up at the beginning of the year, and now just seems like we are retracing a little bit. And I'm a little, I can't tell you guys, man. I'm a little shaken up. We do have some red money flow, on Market Cipher. Okay, you guys said the stream is good? Okay, all right. John Jermaine, I don't know, it might be your Wi-Fi, my friend, but thank you guys for checking in. I appreciate it. We do see a dip here with money flow. What is going on here with Market Cipher, man? I cannot believe what's happening right now. I mean, listen, a retrace is normal, and it's something that a lot of people like maybe didn't expect. A lot of people don't know what to expect, especially all of this sideways trading. You can't really get a grasp, I guess I could say, on what Bitcoin's going to do next. We are below the bottom of our range here, below $27,100 around, and we are again $25,820 today, down 0.45%. The volume isn't crazy here, as you guys can see, which makes sense as to why we're dipping. I mean, there's not even a crazy amount of just bearish volume. It's just kind of, gotta say, a little weak. A little weak. Speaking of week, we closed out the week yesterday. So again, today is a lovely Monday. We are looking at the weekly chart. We closed out the week yesterday. We do have some red money flow coming in on Market Cipher. We did have a few days of green money flow on the weekly, but or I guess a few weeks, I should say, not days. But yeah, we did have a little bit of time that we had green money flow, but then we slipped back below, unfortunately. Market Cipher has some momentum over here, but has like this red dot. I don't know, friends. I do not know. We also, again, fell below the bottom of our range here. It seems like this is the third red week in a row. Maybe we could have a green week. I'm hoping we have a green week. If you guys think we're going to have a green week, put a G in the chat. And if you think we're going to have a red week, put an R in the chat. I need to know your opinions. I need to see what the consensus of the Zesty fam is, because that's important to me. And you know what? The market sentiment is always important because people, again, are unsure of where to put their money right now. We could take a look at bank stocks. Those bank stocks still aren't doing great. We still have the macroeconomic scene of the world is very much in question. Dollar dominance is diminishing. We have the money printer about to go burr. There's a lot of things going on right now. There's a lot of things in play. Now, again, could be having an effect on Bitcoin just like everything else. But I feel like we're just hitting a point where we're just like hitting, I feel like, where are the sellers even coming from at this point? I feel like for a while we kind of hit like seller's exhaustion, especially here, where there was just no one left that really wanted to trade Bitcoin, period, during nap time. Then we're kind of sideways trading now, but where are these sellers coming from is my question. Where are the sellers coming from? Unless it's just major whales that maybe knew ahead of time, like maybe what's going on. I don't know. It's just insane. It just feels like a lot of big buys, a lot of big sells going on right now. A lot of people are saying that maybe, all of this was just crazy because we saw the announcement from Gary Gensler come in. We saw a little bit of a dip, a rebound. All of this kind of happened. I know this was a fight right here. These 2 days were a fight. We took a dip. We took it all back. Then we continued to dip again. And we're pretty much almost at the same point that we were. We are almost a low that we hit on Monday last week. My friends, I want a green week. I don't want to see this anymore. I'm done with the sideways trading because, again, these were levels that we haven't seen previous since March 17th. We're going to take a look at Ethereum, though. $1,740 Ethereum. Guys, we broke below the bottom of this range right here. We had like this little midway point that we were looking at, and then we fell below. Unfortunately, I just can't believe what's going on here. So much sideways trading, guys. So much sideways trading. This is the daily chart, by the way, for Ethereum. We slipped below. We had these little points that we were watching. We were watching $1,700 Ethereum was trading between $1,700 and $1,820 for a while. Broke above that, traded between $1,820 and $1,911. Broke below that over the weekend, and here we are. This is the point we are at, where we have, again, Ethereum that took that big dip, and we've just been sideways trading for the past 2 days. And again, we haven't seen these levels. We saw a wick around this level on May 12th, but previous to that, we didn't see legitimate candles at this level since literally the end of March. So we are revisiting this level, which I'm not happy about, but is it possible we just sideways trade here, pop back above? That's what I'm hoping for. But again, we've been so sideways. I feel like the money is just, people aren't sure where to put their money. Now I'm interested to see Market Cipher, because Market Cipher was telling us a lot of green money flow coming in, some green money flow hanging around. But then we broke below that, below the zero line during the weekend. We have some red money flow here on Ethereum VWAP. Momentum shifted over. Sheesh, guys. Freaking sheesh. I cannot believe everything going on here with Ethereum. I mean, listen, I was hoping we could stay in the green for money flow just because we had all the meme coin craze. A lot of people were trading ERC20 tokens, and obviously you need Ethereum for that. So Ethereum was in demand. But now I feel like, again, the meme economy isn't as poppin' as it was. It kind of got a little bit stale. And although people are still trying to push tokens, there's still a lot of scams on Twitter trying to promote, like people getting hacked is what I mean. A lot of people getting hacked on Twitter, promoting all these scam tokens. Absolutely nuts. That's still happening, so watch out for that. But the money flow isn't as crazy as it was. Even on the weekly, you could see we've had some red money flow here on Ethereum. Now, we did, again, have a red week last week. We had a red week the week before that. And the week before, this week of month from May 29th around, boring, friends. Boring. There was not much going on. Last week we had price action, but not in the best direction. And now, again, we're starting in the red for this week. Volume is not popping. I need to see volume popping. The only volume I saw pop since May of 2021 is the bears. We need to pick up the momentum here, guys. We need to pick up the momentum. It's just so sideways. All right, shift back to the daily. Let's go to Litecoin. Litecoin's at $76.84 today, down 1.13%. We do have some red money flow there as well. Unfortunately, we took a dip and a half with Litecoin over the weekend. I was shook, to say the least, my friends. I was shook looking at these charts. I couldn't believe it. But we've been kind of sideways since that big dip with Litecoin. Again, momentum shifted. VWAP is checking below the zero line. Red money flow on the daily. Now, sheesh, man. We were consistently making higher lows in the short term with Litecoin, and then we just took a dip and a half, man. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I saw this happen on Saturday. I was so shook, guys. I was so shook. And this is while I'm out and about. I was staring at my phone while I was out and about, and I was like, I cannot believe the charts. I was looking at the charts, and I was, again, shook. Litecoin, we want to get above $91. We want $91 Litecoin. We were so close. Guys, we were so close. We were sideways trading for a few days. We were like, oh, sheesh. Could we get to $90 Litecoin, $91 Litecoin? And then we slipped. Look at this one candle. How much was this one candle? Doop, doo, doo. Around 17% was that one candle, that one day. Just wreckage right there. Wreckage. Again, it's not extreme wreckage if you really look at it. If you really look at it, it's not extreme wreckage. I mean, listen, we're still doing pretty good with Litecoin. Litecoin has had these times where it's had these type of drawdowns. If you take a look here, it wasn't all in one day, but we did see a kind of a dramatic drawdown from around $90 down to $65 with Litecoin, a wick low. And then we recovered from that pretty quick. And then we just started retracing, just kind of going back and forth from there with Litecoin. And at least there's price action. At least, we know that Litecoin is able to move. So this 17% drop, I'm not overwhelmingly worried about. I was just, again, shook. Someone said Litecoin is just on sale. Accumulation opportunity, said the DeFi Raider over there on TikTok. I mean, listen, if you believe in Litecoin, you believe it's sound money, and the halving is coming up as well. I could get, what's the halving countdown? I should have had that up. How bad am I? I need the Litecoin halving countdown, my friends, because the Litecoin halving is happening. We have 12.5 Litecoin down to 6.25 Litecoins per block, and that is in 51 days and 9 hours. So if you guys are ready for that, I am ready for that. This is beautiful. This is a part of decentralization. This is a part of a beautiful inflationary system that we're in control of. Now, also, since we're talking about Litecoin, merge mine with Doge. Doge is at 6 cents, guys. Doge also took a hit, down 1.15% today. But we were looking to go back to 8-cent Doge. We were sitting at 7 cents. We broke below 7 cents. and we just kind of kept going there. But like, what I don't understand about Litecoin and Doge's price action is, why is it dipping so much if so many people are using it? If you're looking at all the stats, the on-chain analytics, so on and so forth. Litecoin and Doge have been used quite a lot for transactions recently, considering that BRC20 tokens and ordinals are kind of congesting the Bitcoin blockchain and causing, higher gas fees, because the more you use the blockchain, gas fees goes up. Same for Ethereum, where you have ERC20 tokens, all these dApps and things being built on Ethereum, where, if people are using it, the gas fees go up dramatically for Ethereum. That's why Litecoin and Doge have been used quite a lot in the recent days, but the price isn't really reflecting that, which is why I always say price doesn't always equal value, because a lot of people, again, are valuing Doge, valuing Litecoin, spending it on the daily, not doing probably a lot of OTC deals happening. If you're looking at, all these whale alerts, hundreds of thousands of Litecoin being moved around, people moving from wallet to wallet. There's a lot of stuff happening there. A lot of stuff happening. You guys just got to look at these whale alerts. The whale alerts, I'm telling you, are everything. Alts took a dip in the bloodbath. Yeah, alts kind of got, that's why we were talking about this massive altcoin dump, because that's exactly what happens over the weekend. Ozzy, nice to see you. What are we talking about? Files on the computer. Did you guys download something? Antonio, let's go Bear Bros. Oh no. Big Dog, nice to see you. Crypto 420, hola to you. Who else is here? John Foster says, yo, nice to see you. And Little Emma. Chris, nice to see you. You're happy with lower prices, so you're DCA. Yep. DCA is kind of the way. I mean, listen, if of course not financial advice, but dollar cost averaging is a good way of just accumulating no matter where the price is. You're just picking up periodically some Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, whatever you choose to buy. Mark Smithson, nice to see you as well. Redman, good morning to you. You guys think we're going to see a green week? Some of you guys are bearish too. I see some R's, I see some J's in here. Let's take a sip of our coffee if you haven't yet. We got No G, good morning to you. Chris Allen, good morning to you. We got Sophisticated and Rick in the chat as well. Danny from the blockchain says, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Digibyte, and Doge are your final four. I mean, listen, proof of work. Proof of work. I'm a big fan of proof of work. I'm a big fan of proof of work coins. So yeah, I've always been, if you guys could look back to when I first started in 2020, I was talking about Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Digibyte, even Doge I was talking about pretty early as well. So yeah, I'm always a fan of proof of work, and I'm a fan of things that I could see application of in the real world. And that's what I see Bitcoin, Litecoin, Digibyte, and even Doge, in some ways having utility in the real world. I mean, listen, if you could use something as currency, if it's decentralized, if the fees are low, like Litecoin and even Doge now, why wouldn't you use it? Listen, Doge does not have the finite supply. Of course, that is a little bit of an issue, but I think you're able to build on top of Doge. Again, it's proof of work. It's decentralized. It's merge mine with Litecoin. Litecoin has that finite supply of 84 million Litecoin to ever exist, having schedule every 4 years. OmniLite, where you could build on top of it. People are building LTC20 tokens. And then you have MWeb, which gives you that fungibility and the qualities that you need for sound money. So yeah, I see that being used in the real world 100%, like it already is. And Bitcoin being that store of value for you. And even Digibyte being used as money too, because it's so freaking fast. So fast. I just think all of these things are going to have their day. We just got to be patient. And this is, again, what the market does to you. It just makes you wait. It makes you sit there. It makes you question everything. But if you believe in the fundamentals of the space versus the pumpamental of the space, you know that Bitcoin cryptocurrency is inevitable. Which leads me into none other than Gary Gensler. Gary Gensler wreaking havoc on the cryptocurrency ecosystem. From taking out multiple cryptocurrency exchanges for unregistered securities, for staking. What is an unregistered security applying to crypto? What is a digital asset according to the SEC? Those we still don't have answers to. We are literally getting hit with all of these things left and right. Slap, slap, slap. But what are the rules to abide by? And that is what we are missing here. Now, I want to show you some clips of Gary before we get into what he said about cryptocurrency individuals over the weekend. Get ready, my friends. Make sure you guys are smashing these likes, subscribing, and sharing the stream out with friends. Let's get to 100 likes and 100 live viewers.
Governance is tough. You could create Uber or Lyft on top of a blockchain technology today. Well, maybe in 5 years you could. It would have the performance. Sylvia McCally's Algorand, who's a Turing Award winner at MIT that I work with. Sylvia's got a great technology that has the performance. You could create Uber on top of it. The question is then who would update the software?
He loves Algorand, which is now a security. What else did Gary say in his fall 2018 MIT course about the cryptocurrency market in general?
So we already know in the US and in many other jurisdictions that 3/4 of the market are not ICOs or not what would be called securities. Even in the US, Canada, and Taiwan, the 3 jurisdictions that follow something similar to the Howey test that we've talked about, 3/4 of the market is non-securities. It's just a commodity, a cash crypto. So you'll hear debates about initial coin offerings and what's a security and what's not a security. Relevant and important debate. But for 3/4 of the market, it's not particularly relevant as a legal matter.
3/4 of the crypto market are cash commodities. Cash crypto, a commodity. It's an important debate, but it's not something we really have to worry about. We know that Bitcoin cryptocurrency provides borderless payments that are permissionless, that are decentralized, that we are actually in control of. But according to Gary Gensler, we already have a digital currency, multiple digital currencies, in fact.
We don't need more digital currency. We already have digital currency. It's called the US dollar. It's called the euro. It's called the yen. They're all digital right now. We already have digital investments. And you have entrepreneurs representing digital investments on this program all day long. And it's whether it's the big tech companies, the automobile companies, you name it. It's all digital right now, the investing world. So what is the real underlying value of these tokens? And that's why you need full, fair, and truthful disclosure. We don't need more digital.
We don't need more digital currencies. We already have the US dollar, the yen, and the euro. But then Gary Gensler continued over the weekend. It has gotten personal, I feel. It has gotten personal.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes, the public being left in line at the bankruptcy courts. We've seen this story before. Hucksters.
And that's what we have come down to. We are hucksters, fraudsters, and scammers, according to Gary Gensler. But he said, we have seen this before where we're waiting in line at the bankruptcy court for a cryptocurrency platform. But what did he forget about Silicon Valley Bank and how people were standing outside for their money outside? Did we really forget about that? What about Silicon Valley Bank? What about all of the people that were literally left behind? My friends, this is absolutely wild that this is going on right now. And you know what? We've been going through a few things with banks. Again, First Republic Bank outside, Silicon Valley Bank outside, where you just had people, again, lined up for their money. So which ecosystem are we talking about? Are we talking about cryptocurrency, or are we talking about all of the banks? where people, again, were lining up outside to get their money out. Now look at Wells Fargo over the weekend. Wells Fargo had emergency conditions and limit your cash withdrawals to $1,000. This is outside the banks. So what's really the problem? Due to emergency conditions and to accommodate all customers, today's daily cash withdrawal is $1,000. You may continue to use your Wells Fargo debit ATM or deposit card for purchases during this time. We're sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you for your business. And if you look on the commercials, they're advertising a cash card. Oh, a cash card. I could just go get cash with my cash card. Oh, wait. I could only withdraw $1,000 today. Isn't that crazy? So is your money your money? And is Gary Gensler really talking about the TradFi system and not crypto? These are the questions that we have to ask. These are the questions we have to ask. Now, I'm trying to find some pictures of Silicon Valley Bank, like outside, all these people waiting out there, but I cannot seem to locate them. But it is what it is, my friends. We understand. We remember what happened out there. It was really, again, wild what happened with Silicon Valley Bank, with all the people that don't have guarantees of where their money comes from. Now you go to the bank, you might not get the amount of cash you need. What if someone needed to pay someone else? What if they needed to pay a $2,000 rent? But now you're only withheld to $1,000 to withdraw from your bank account. But at least you can still transfer their digital dollar. Bitcoin cryptocurrency, be your own bank. Have your wealth that you could send, receive however much you want, whenever you want. And you're always in control of it. You never have to worry about this ever. Flat Smack, good morning to you. Chris Allen says, OMG. No G says they're going broke. I mean, listen, man, what do they really do with your money? They're asking for proof of reserves on crypto exchanges, but where are the proof of reserves on the banks when clearly we need them? Anything else in the chat? Gary's a Bitcoin whale. Imagine, probably, maybe. Well, apparently, he said he never, in 2019 or 2018, when he was, talking to the House Financial Committee, he was talking about how he wasn't an investor in cryptocurrency at all. But maybe that changed. Maybe that changed. Now, Binance has taken a hit over the weekend. Of course, the regulatory crackdown has been severe. The biggest targets, of course, have been Binance US and Coinbase. Binance US has been hit with saying they are selling unregistered securities. They were going after CZ Binance, especially singling him out in the cases as well, saying that they commingled funds, etc., etc. Binance US had to, of course, make moves and is trying to help customers out. But again, it's really difficult to be in the position they're in. The regulatory crackdown is insane. Binance US has spoken out. They have tweeted, the SEC has taken to using extremely aggressive, intimidating tactics in its pursuit of an ideological campaign against the American digital asset industry. Binance US and our business partners have not been spared in the use of these tactics, which has created challenges for the banks with whom we work. As a result, in an effort to protect our customers and platform, today we are suspending USD deposits and notifying customers that our banking partners are preparing to pause fiat USD withdrawals as early as June 13th. So friends, tomorrow, if you are using Binance US, make sure you guys withdraw by tomorrow. Do it now if you could. We encourage customers to take appropriate actions with their USD. Our priority is and always has been our customers. We are taking these proactive steps as we are a time transition to a crypto-only exchange. To be clear, we remain and have one-to-one reserves for all customer assets. Any downtime in processing withdrawals may be the result of elevated volumes and weakened bank closures. Moreover, trading, staking, deposits, and withdrawals in crypto remain fully operational. While we remain open to a productive compromise that enables a thriving digital asset marketplace in America, Binance US will continue to vigorously defend ourselves, our customers, and industry against the meritless attacks of the SEC. And they have a notice here to their customers. Again, if you guys are on Binance US, please take note that they have intent to pause USD fiat channels. The banks are threatening basically to pause their things potentially by June 13th. And this means, again, their ability to accept USD fiat deposits and withdrawals will be impacted. They want to be a crypto-only exchange. They said they have one-to-one reserves. Make sure you guys take care of this if you are on Binance. It says any USD remaining on the platform after June 15th may be converted to stablecoin that can be withdrawn on-chain. But they want to remain fully operational in terms of cryptocurrency services, including trading, staking, deposits, and withdrawals. This is really what we have to revert to now. This is horrible. And also, Binance had to delist a whole bunch of trading pairs as well. Scary, friends. Scary, scary, scary. If you are your own bank, you don't have to worry about these withdrawals. But at the same time, they're trying to choke off all of the on-ramps and off-ramps from crypto. It does not make sense, but at the same time, it does. Because you have a bunch of delistings that seem to be a little bit coordinated following the SEC, calling out a few of these crypto coins or tokens as securities because they both called out some chains as well. Robinhood had to take count and said earlier this week the SEC sued crypto companies Binance and Coinbase. The SEC alleged that a number of cryptocurrencies trading on the platforms are unregistered securities, including 3 that are currently supported on Robinhood Crypto. This introduced a cloud of uncertainty around these assets, and as a result, our team has decided to end support for them. What does this mean for customers? Anyone who holds Solana, Polygon, and Cardano will receive detailed instructions on how to sell or withdraw their coins where supported. We believe in the future of crypto, and we will continue to advocate for regulatory clarity in the US so that customers can participate in the marketplace with greater confidence. This is where it all ends, my friends. Because at the end of the day, this is like the last push until they feel like, oh gosh, we can't stop crypto. Because they can't stop crypto. Crypto is unstoppable. It's decentralized. You don't have to worry about permission to send and receive value. That is not going to change. And when you take things away from people, they will find a way to get it. It's like, you learn that at a very young age that, if someone tells you not to do something, you're going to look into why they're telling you not to do it, try to figure out the reason. Now, a lot of people are hearing about, they heard about FTX, unfortunately. They're hearing about all the Coinbase stuff, the Binance stuff, and they feel like they should be scared. Oh my gosh, should I be scared of cryptocurrency? And that's what they want. They want to try to scare people. But that's why we're here, is to push that education and to help people realize that you don't need to be distracted by this cloud of FUD. And that if you really do your own research, you stick in your convictions, you realize again that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is just code. It is a decentralized financial ecosystem in which if you choose to take part in it, you are taking part in something like Bitcoin, where there's a finite supply of 21 million Bitcoin. There's an inflation schedule every 4 years so that one centralized entity doesn't decide when, where, and how the money gets created and where it goes. Don't give in to the FUD. There is some new news in terms of regulations. Regulation. Make sure you guys are smashing these likes, sharing this stream out. Let's get 100 likes and 100 live viewers. Let's get after it, my friends. We have Crypto Michael in the chat. Bullish Bradley, what you doing on so early, sweet? Yeah, I'm trying out some early streams. Just getting after it this morning. Tom Crown, MTC. Oh my gosh, hi Tom. How are you, my friend? Ozzy says, you Uber. I like to Uber sometimes. Marky Mark. And your coins on a cold wallet. They are yours. Absolutely. What's up, big dog? Boo Man said too early. Is it too early for you, Boo Man? We're playing with the times. We're trying to see like what's going on, which ones are better. If you guys are a member, make sure you guys are throwing your member emojis in the chat. Show them off. Patrick Murphy, you're lurking. It's okay. You can lurk. You can lurk. Vinny said you like 11 because it's a you could take a nap afterwards. I'm dead. Hi, War Player. Nice to see you. Retro Mike said it's way too early. My friends, you guys got to get after it early in the morning. Alvo, good morning to you. Daddy-O, what's up? Everyone in the chat, please show off your member emojis. I need to see member emojis in there. And we only got 60 likes, friends. We need 100 likes. 100 likes. Coffee, the Daily Zest. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Does it matter to you? Not to me, says Tom Crown has sent you. Thank you, Tom, for sending your individuals. MK, nice to see ya. Tom Crown's like, I'm good. I'm feeling all right. Baby, I'm going to have the best freaking night of my life. Whatever it takes, baby, I'm down for a ride. Oh, yeah, I'm good and I'm feeling all right. I love that song. Tom, if YouTube was cool and I didn't have to worry about copyright, I would freaking blast all my music on here. Oh my gosh. I would love to. That's like an actual bop. Joe says, I love this song. No, she says amazing vocals. I remember I was singing. What was I singing? I think I was singing to Alexandra G or something. I don't know if she's here. I was singing to Alexandra G on my Friday live stream. I was baking cookies. But yeah. Stop damping my vibe, YouTube. I know, dude. I would love to freaking go off right now. I would love to go off. The Brothers T, nice to see you, man. Cash says lurking while working. I like that. You're lurking while working. Go off, my friend. Matthew K, nice to see you. Zoom in on the mug. The mug is so awesome, man. Can you guys see it? I can't see what you can see. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Fueled by coffee and Bitcoin. It's so cute. I had to have coffee. I didn't have coffee before I went on stream, and then I realized, and I was like, oh, sheesh, I need that. So I just made a cup and brought it on stream and was ready to get after it. Live stream rave. I know, I want to rave. Is there any music that I could put on from, is there any music I could put on without getting copyrighted on here? Because I would do a dance party. I would do a dance party right now. Make sure you guys are smashing these likes, sharing the stream out with friends. All right. Let's take a look. I want to take a look at some banking charts in a moment. We do have JP Morgan speaking out a little bit on crypto frameworks and cryptocurrency regulation. So let's see. Tom, can you send me directions or something, instructions on how to get that music up here? Because I want to get some music out here. The SEC crypto crackdown again is pushing on the SEC more. I think they are kind of backfiring a little bit. All these crypto crackdowns coming after Binance, coming after Coinbase. It then pushes the pressure back on the SEC, where people are now asking them, well, how can we even follow the rules if there are no rules? This, again, adds a little bit. It could light a fire under the SEC to say, hey, now we need to tell them at least what a digital asset is, right? The crackdown might add urgency for lawmakers to produce a regulatory framework. The SEC, against pushing all these lawsuits against Binance and Coinbase, highlight the need to come up with a comprehensive framework on how to regulate crypto industries and the relative responsibilities of the SEC versus the CFTC, said JP Morgan in a Thursday research report. They think most cryptocurrencies should be an open and shut case, like Jim Cramer was saying. But this isn't a straightforward legal case, and it's unclear which cryptocurrencies would be classified as securities. This is what a lot of people were writing. But again, it was just a complete wreckage with suing CZ Binance, with suing Coinbase, and JP Morgan said the moves are creating more urgency for U.S. lawmakers to come up with a comprehensive regulatory framework by this year. Don't you think we need that clarity? If you think we need that clarity, put a yes in the chat. If you think we don't need it, and who cares, put a no. Let me know your thoughts in the chat. Guys, let's get 100 likes and 100 live viewers. I'm sad. Crypto Crag, I'm sad. SEC equals poop. Anything by NC. I gotta look, Tom. I gotta look on how to get this music. Hold on. Ah. Okay. No copyright sounds. Got it. Thank you, Tom. You're the plug. Someone actually maybe had some progress in terms of regulation. Custodia is stepping in. Custodia Bank, Caitlin Long, she's been getting cracked down on forever. She tried to get a Fed motion to be able to certify her, get her in with the Fed. She wanted to comply, bring crypto banking into the TradFi system. Now there's a suit that maybe she came out on top of. Custodia's suit against the Fed over denial of master account can proceed. We got some action, guys. We got some action. Custodia's challenge of the Federal Reserve Bank of Kansas City's decision to deny the crypto-friendly bank access to the Fed banking services can continue. This is from Thursday, rejecting a Fed motion to dismiss the case. The U.S. District Court of Wyoming, however, did reject Custodia's request that the Fed be compelled to grant it a so-called master account and membership with the Fed, and said Custodia must continue with its claims via normal channels. So again, they didn't really make that much progress. It was like here's like a little inch. We're not giving you the mile. We're not giving you the master account, but here's an inch. Custodia Bank will get its day in court. Patrick Toomey, retired U.S. Senator from Pennsylvania, tweeted on Friday afternoon. Him, along with the state of Wyoming, filed briefs to support Custodia's suit. Even though the court declined to grant Wyoming-based Custodia's request, it said that it was only rejecting the request because there was another avenue Custodia could pursue. Quote, Custodia has stated a plausible claim for relief against FRBKC, which is the Federal Reserve Bank of Kansas. However, relief under the Mandamus Act is not available to Custodia against the board of directors because APA, the Administrative Procedure Act, provides a more adequate remedy. They also said Kansas City Fed has been alone denying Custodia its master license, and Custodia's claim would fail. However, the court said Custodia's claim that the Fed Board of Governors had weighed in on the decision, and it was plausible. The alleged occurrence of certain events and the timing of those events suggests that the Board of Governors had at least some hand in controlling the outcome of the master account application. Again, there was always interaction from behind the scenes, considering that Caitlin Long even called it herself that she felt that there was a coordinated attack against her. This has been going on for years. Now, again, in 2023, in January, previous to this decision, Custodia was rejected in every single core category that the Fed addressed because of its crypto friendliness and because it was a state chartered bank and not a nationally chartered one. So she faces so many things going on here. Poor Caitlin. Poor Custodia. But at least they're getting somewhere, and again, a lot of people are backing them. The state of Wyoming themselves are backing them. So it's really interesting. I hope Caitlin Long and I hope Custodia really gets pushed through because, again, we need to mesh somehow TradFi with crypto, but they're trying to crack down on that so much. Again, it's not going to work. But good luck to Custodia, man. Really rooting for them. I'm always trying to keep up with what they're doing. Let's see if we could get a party up in here. If you guys are ready to party, make sure you guys get 100 likes in here. We need 100 likes and 100 live viewers. We're almost there. We got 87 likes. Let's get after it. Who else is in the chat? We got MetaMask. Nice to see you. TS Lawyer Gaming. 88 likes. Awesome. Well, now we need 100. We need 100. Okay. I want to get some zest right now. I want to get some zest. Yeah, let's get 100 likes. Guys, we have 9 more. Wow, we just jumped up a lot of likes. Let's get after it. Ooh, this is a vibe. Oh no. It's not loading anymore. Ooh, this is awesome. Do you guys hear the music? Oh, sheesh. I gotta see. I gotta clear this up. This has gotta work. This has gotta work. Do you guys hear it now? Put a yes if you hear the music. No sound? Is it good now? So it did not work. I'm gonna figure this out. We gotta figure it out. I wanna get like some party music up in here. You heard a bit of it? It was better? Hold on. Friends. Oval bore. Get sheeshed. Whoa. Why are you telling him to get a sheesh? Oh my gosh. I'm so sad. I want this to work. Do we have 100 likes yet? This is what matters, guys. We need 100 likes and 100 live viewers. I'm going to test it one more time. Does this work? Let me know. Get away with it. No, 'cause I'm feeling so. All right, I'm gonna play with this another time, my friends. All right, thank you guys for joining me today. I'm gonna work on this club music. I want to be able to pop some tunes for you guys and make this like some cool vibes sometimes. But thank you for coming. I appreciate every single one of you. This was an amazing stream. A good way to kick off the week. Ooh, my ear just. I just got a lot of feedback. Okay, there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. Again, it was really nice seeing you guys. Thank you for helping me out with the audio, with this music stuff. I'm going to figure it out because I want to make this lit for you guys, like I said. But it said in and out stereo quality, not stereo quality. Got it. I'll work on it. Wolfpack instantly votes for cookies and pizzas. Nice to see you, Wolfpack. Yeah, I mean, I did put it in the chat. We got 112 votes on that poll. Bitcoin this week, if we're bullish, if we're bearish, or if you'll have one cookie with your pizza. But yeah. So again, a lot of people want their cookies, but I am always bullish on Bitcoin. I'm always bullish on this movement that we are a part of because, again, that's the most important thing. So make sure, again, you guys, make sure you look into the fundamentals of this space versus the pumpamentals of this space. There's a lot of noise. Of course, there's a lot of noise, but again, do not worry. Commander said, Miss Teen ready to hit the Jersey Shore. I mean, listen, man, the Jersey, I don't know if I've been to the Jersey Shore, but I think I have to visit it. Watch out for the price action, friends. Keep calm, hoggle on. Make sure, again, if you enjoyed the show, make sure you smash this like, subscribe, share the stream out with friends, and comment after this is over your thoughts on Bitcoin this week. If there is any breaking news, again, I will go live for you guys. But again, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys, again, smash this like, share the stream out, subscribe. Get after it, guys. Have a great week. Have a happy Monday. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.